How to fix Samsung A16 camera not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, like that. And then restart your device. After restarting your device, then go back and open settings and then scroll down and click on device care, and now scroll down and here you can see the option software update, and now here you can check your software update and then update your software. After that, reset your settings, reset your all settings, then open general management and then scroll down and click on reset, and then scroll down and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.